Sprint Education. Myself Naveen. I am the mathematics mentor, and today let us discuss about orthocenter of a triangle. Students, what do you mean by orthocenter? Let us see. Consider triangle ABC. What is AD? AD is an altitude. What do you mean by an altitude? The line segment joining from vertex to its opposite side. AD is the line segment that joins from vertex to its opposite side, and it should be perpendicular to it. And BE, a line segment that joins from vertex to its opposite side, and it must be perpendicular to it, as well as CF, a line segment joining from vertex to its opposite side, and it must be perpendicular to it. So the point of concurrence of all these three altitudes. So this is the point of concurrence, and this is called as orthocenter. We can represent it with the letter either O or letter H. Students, did you understand what do you mean by orthocenter? The point of concurrence of the altitudes of a triangle. The point of concurrence of altitudes of a triangle is known as orthocenter of a triangle. Now, let us find the orthocenter of the triangle with the vertices -2, -1, 6, -1 and 2, 5. So, how to find the orthocenter of the triangle with the given vertices? And here, children, as we know that line segment BC, which is perpendicular to the line segment AD. I mean, BC and AD, they both are perpendicular to each other. Okay, and BC, vertices of B is 6, -1, and coordinates of C are 2, 5. So first, let us find slope of BC. Children, do you know what is slope formula? Slope m equal to, if we have 2 points, slope m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the slope formula, right? So what is the slope of BC? So this is our x1 and this is our y1. This is our x2 and this is our y2. I mean y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is 5 minus y1 is -1 by x2 minus x1, 2 minus 6, minus into minus plus, 5 plus 1 by 2 minus 6, that is -4. So 5 plus 1, 6 by 4, that is -6 by 4, 2 3s are 2 2s are, which is equal to -3 by 2. So slope of BC you consider as m1, so m1 equal to -3 by 2, children. Got it my point? How to find slope of BC, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Find minus of -1 by 2 minus 6, that is 6 by -4, that is 2 3s are 2 2s are, so m1 equal to -3 by 2. Slope of BC, that is m1 equal to -3 by 2. Okay, as we know that AD, which is perpendicular to BC, line segment AD which is perpendicular to BC. So they are the two perpendicular lines. I mean AD is perpendicular to BC. We know that whose slopes, I mean product of their slope be -1, right? I mean m1 into m2 is equal to -1, children. Are you understanding my point? BC slope we call it as m1. If we call AD slope as m2, as BC and AD they are perpendicular to each other, hence product of their slopes be -1. We know that formula. that is m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Here m1 is the slope of line BC, right, and m2 is the slope of AD, right. So we know that m1 value minus 3 by 2 into m2 equal to minus 1. Minus minus gets cancelled. 3 by 2 if you transpose, so m2 equal to how much, children? It will become 2 by 3. So this is the 2 by 3, children. AD is 2 by 3. Okay. Now let us find equation of AD. Children, let us find equation of AD. Okay. So what is vertex A? Vertex A is minus 2 comma minus 1. And what is the slope of AD? That is 2 by 3. So we have an equation of line AD which is having slope m2 which is equal to 2 by 3 and which is passing through the point minus 2 comma minus 1. So what is the equation of AD? That is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, equation of line which is passing through the point P of x1 comma y1 and having slope m1. That formula is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, right? So this is our x1, children, and this is our y1. Y minus y1 value minus 1 equal to m value 2 by 3 into x minus x1. So minus into minus plus, I mean y plus 1 is equal to 2 by 3 into minus plus, that is x plus 2. So cross multiplication, 3 into y plus 1 equal to 2 into x plus 2. 3 into y, 3y plus 3 into 1, 3 equal to 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 2, 4. Whereas transpose 2x plus 3y you transpose minus 3y. Already here we have 4 plus 3 you transpose minus 3. Right? That is 2x minus 3y plus 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1 equal to 0. That is equation number 1. Children, you understood how we got equation number 1? That is equation of AD. So what is that? Let us write here 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. So this is what equation of AD. Okay. Let us find now equation of B. For that, the same procedure. Let us find equation of B. So as we know that B, which is perpendicular to AC, children, A, C, B, E, as A value minus 2 minus 1 and C value 2 comma 5. Okay. First let us find slope of AC, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 5 minus of minus 1, 6, 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4, children. Did you understood, children? Formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is x1, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 minus y1. 5 minus of minus 1, 6. By x2 minus x1. 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2. Right? 2 3s are 2 2s are. So that is equal to how much, children? 3 by 2. Let us consider slope of AC as m1, which is equal to 3 by 2. And we know that BE is perpendicular to AC. Product of their slope be minus 1. We call BE slope as m2, AC slope as m1, right? m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So m1 value we got 3 by 2 into m2 equal to minus 1. That is transpose 3 by 2 there, it will become minus 2 by 3, children. So m2 equal to how much? Minus 2 by 3. We got this is minus 2 by 3. And what is the vertex B, children? Vertex B is 6, minus 1. Now let us find equation of BE. So we have the formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So this is x1 y1 means y minus of minus 1 equal to slope m is minus 2 by 3, right, into x minus x1 is 6, children. I mean y plus 1 equal to minus 2 by 3 into x minus 6, cross multiplication, 3 into y plus 1 equal to minus 2 into x minus 6, right. Now 3 into y, 3y, 3 into 1, 3, minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus into minus plus, 2 6 are 12, minus 2x you transpose, 2x plus 3y plus 3 minus 12 equal to 0, right. So this will become 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. So this is our equation number 2. As we found equation of AD, also equation of BE. Okay. I mean, what do you mean by orthocenter? The point of concurrence of two altitudes also, right? So we got the first equation, that is 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Equation number 1 is 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0, and equation number 2 is 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. These are the two equations. Let us solve these two equations. Plus 3y minus 3y gets cancelled. 2x plus 2x, that is 4x. 1 minus 9, that is minus 8 equal to 0. So that is 4x equal to minus 8 you transpose, this will become plus 8. 4 1 jar, 4 2 jar. So what is the value of x, children? X value is 2. Now substitute x is equal to 2 in equation number 1 or equation number 2, so that you will get y value. So 2 into x value 2 minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. 2 2 is 4 minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. 4 plus 1, 5 minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. So minus 3y equal to plus 5 if you transpose. Minus 5 minus minus gets cancelled. So y equal to 5 by 3. So one point is x is 2 and y is 5 by 3. So that is the orthocenter, that is 2 comma 5 by 3, which is our required orthocenter. That we can represent it with the letter, either letter O or H. Students, did you understand the procedure? The thing is, first we have to find BC slope, that is called M1. And actually AD is perpendicular to BC, product of their slopes will be minus 1, so that you will get M2. Then we have to find equation of AD. We have the formula, that is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Like that we have to find equation of AD as well as BE. Actually their concurrence of AD and BE is, which is called as orthocenter of a triangle. So until and unless if you practice, you can't do it. Children, we can also find the concurrence of CF also. Okay. So until and unless if you practice, you can't do it. So practice, then only you can do it this sum easily. Okay children, I hope you understood the concept of orthocenter. You try to practice one more sum or problem, so that you will get more practice on this session, right? Thank you children.